The Green Cabbie product reviews.
This is a review of the Buyer's Point 8K Ultra Speed HDMI. This is the HDMI 2.1, and it has 24 karat gold plated connectors. It's 3D enabled, and it's HDMI ultra high speed. It's rated up to 48 gigabytes per second. And this is the 6-foot variation, or the 1.8 meters. This is the gray version. You see that they do have it labeled Buyer's Point on the receptacle itself. They do come with the endpoint connectors to protect them in transit or when you're not in use. They do have the braided cables, which are thick. You know, some of them are actually really thin and not very durable. This is a thick braided cable. You can feel how heavy duty this is. Even with it being so thick, you do see that it is pliable, easily movable, so that you won't have it bunching up or having an issue getting it where it needs to go. All plugged in and ready to rock. It's up and running and ready to go. Looking good. Click the link below now for the best pricing. Grab your deal and enjoy your purchase.
Subscribe now.